So welcome students. In this question you're given that these three are the position vectors of three vertices of a triangle which has right angle at C. If that is so, what is the value of this unknown? So if you have a right angle at C, then the vectors CB bar and CA bar have to be perpendicular to each other. Right? So what is the vector CA bar? Is nothing but position vector of A minus position vector of C, that is 2 minus A times I. Position vector of A minus position vector of C, that is plus 2J. K minus K is 0. And what is CB bar? Position vector of B minus position vector of C. Position vector of B minus position vector of C. 1 minus A times I. 3J gets cancelled. Minus 5K minus K minus 6K. So now these two have to be perpendicular to each other. That means the dot product has to be equal to 0. CA bar dot CB bar is equal to 0. This implies 2 minus A times 1 minus A. J into 0, 6 into 0 is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to 1 or 2. So A can be either 1 or 2 is the answer. Thank you.